Hello and welcome back to EURUSD. This is another weekly outlook video that we'll be looking at gold, GBPUSD, EURUSD, and GBPJPY. These are four pairs that we're looking at this week. Last week, our video outlook went well based on our analysis. All the tech we took last week, all of them went well. You can see this one. This one was the one we took on Friday. This is US oil. This one make over 140 pips. We bought at 69,800 and it went over to 71,400. We make a lot of money last week. You can see another one. We also traded there. We call this one. We call this one out. This one is BTC USD. We call it out. We join at this zone. You can see 70,190. We bought at this zone. And we left at 71,400 because the thing did not hit our TP. When we see price action here, we exited the market. So I traded about four pairs last week. All of them went well. So this week we'll be looking at gold. Let's start from gold on a weekly time frame. You can see that gold is giving us a beautiful structure on a weekly time frame, giving us highs and breaking new highs, telling us that the bullish momentum is very intact. So our interest is to how to buy gold. So let's go to daily time frame and have a look on how to buy gold. So this is a daily time frame. Gold has given us higher high on a daily time. After higher high, what next? Higher low. So we're expecting gold to come down to this zone. Let me show you. Watch my arrow. We're expecting gold to come down to this yellow zone for a higher low before continuation move to upside to create equal high or higher high. So, but the question is, how then do we join this market? So let's go down to 4 hour time frame to see how we can join gold. So in a 4 hour time frame, you can see that gold is beginning to pull back towards where? This yellow zone. So we allow this price to fall down to this zone. That's what we do. We allow price to fall down to this zone. If price come down to this zone, we'll wait for what? Price action. Okay. Once we see our entry pattern using candlestick formation on a 4 hour time frame, we'll be looking out for what? Bullish engulfing candle on a 4 hour time frame. Okay. But if we don't see bullish engulfing candle on a 4 hour time frame, we'll scale down to a lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame, and wait for what? Change of character. When price come here and we see change of character in 5 minutes time frame, we do what? We buy. We buy gold from this zone to where? To this zone. So our interest on gold is buy setup. We allow price to come to our zone. So this is it all for gold coming this week. Then next pair on our list is GBPUSD. Okay. So GBPUSD, this is weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, GBPUSD is bullish, is upturn. How do I know? Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Has created another higher high. It's coming down for what? Higher low. This higher low is supposed to exhaust here, but price is pushing it down to create a second bottom here before price keep pushing up. So at this rate, we'll take advantage of this pullback. We'll take advantage of this pullback from this zone. From this zone, this part at 1.29, we take advantage of this pullback because this price is coming down to 1.27. So we have 200 pips down west. So how do we take advantage of this movement? Let's go to daily time frame and have a look. So this daily time frame on GBPUSD. You can see that higher high, higher low in the daily time frame has been breached by market breaking below and closing below this higher low. This place. Let me show you. You should understand market structure. Look at this movement. Price created higher high here, came back for a higher low, and created another higher high. Okay, so price supposed on a contact here, price supposed to make this contact and push up. But price didn't push up because price want to go to this lower zone. That's why you see price break and close below this higher low. Okay, and secondly, you can see the price has broken and closing below the the support trend line, and you can see that price has came back to test this support trend line and this resistance. That means price is going where? Price is coming back to this bar. We expect price to fall down to 1.290. That's the next level target on GBPUSD. So let's go down to 4 hour time frame and see how we can take advantage of this price movement. So this is 4 hour time frame. So what we wait for is let price break below this zone. If price break below this zone, you see this zone, let allow price to break and close below it and wait for what? A retest. Once price come back for a retest, we will do what? We will sell down to 1.290. So let me show you on the daily time so that you will see it very well. Let me give you a zone on this 4 hour. Let price close below this lower low. Let price break and close below this lower low. Okay. Then on a retest, let price come back for a retest. Once price come back for a retest on this lower low, our interest is let price break it, and then on a retest, we'll do what? We'll sell down to this zone. So this is how we will join this price. We wait for price action at this zone. Once we see what we are looking for, we'll sell. Okay. We can use bearish engulfing candle, or we'll go to a lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, and wait for change of character, and we sell. It's very simple. And we do what? We sell to this zone. We are targeting 200 pips to this zone. Okay. So that is it for GBPUSD. So next pair on our list is EURUSD. Let's have a look at EURUSD. Okay, this is EURUSD weekly time frame. What do you notice? You notice that price is in a range. What do I mean by a range? Look at it. Take a look and see what price is doing here. Okay. When price created this lower low, moved down to this zone, price came back for a lower high. Okay. After the lower high, what next? Price supposed to continue falling down. But that never happened. Rather, price came to this zone, got exhausted, came back here. Okay. So you notice what price is doing now. When price come to this yellow zone, that's why I drew this line. You see this bar. Once price come here, what happened? It fall down to this zone. When price come back again, what happened? It fall down to this zone. When price come back again on the third attempt, on the fourth attempt, because it tested it, created this zone, come back again. So this is the fourth attempt that the price is testing this yellow zone. So that is a very strong resistance zone. That means price is doing what? Price will definitely fall down to where? To this zone. Sorry about this. Price will definitely do what? Fall down for this zone, and price is already falling down to where? We expect this price to fall down to this zone. So on EURUSD, we're expecting it to do what? To complete this zone to zone movement from support to resistance. That's how to trade. When the market is in range, what do you trade? Once you come to the resistance, you sell. Once you come to the support, you buy. Not until price break out of the range. Okay. So the question now, how do we join this set down to this zone? So let's go to 4 hour time frame. Okay, let's go to daily time frame and see how it looks on the daily time frame before going to 4 hour time frame. So this is a daily time frame. You notice one thing on a daily time frame. You notice that when price come to this zone, it form double top. Look at it. This is first touch. It retraces back, and this is second touch. After forming this double top is a reversal pattern on the higher time frame. Once you see it on the higher time frame, take it serious. It's very, very valid. So after doing this double top here, what happened? It came back, break and close below the neckline. This is neckline. This red candle, break and close below it. And after closing it, what happened? It came back for it. This green candle retested this zone, and price doing what? Price is dropping. To where? To that weekly support level. So let's go to 4 hour time frame and see how we can join that movement in the weekly support level. So this is 4 hour time frame. But something significant happened here on a 4 hour time frame. Let me show you something. Pay attention, you learn a lot here. On a 4 hour time frame, this price was down in a downtrend, creating lower high, sorry, creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. But something significant happened. Price came and closed above lower high. When price, this is lower high, this zone is a lower high. This green candle came and closed above it, causing change of character. Okay? And when change of character happen in a trend, it means that that trend is coming to an end. Not only that change of character happen, after change of character, what next? You notice there's a break of structure. This is the structure. Okay? This green candle came and closed and break above this structure. After these two things happen, what again do you expect? When these two things happen in a trend, it means that that trend is officially over. Once you have change of character and break of structure, that trend is officially over. Next thing we expect is to market to continue going up to this zero zone. But that never happened. Rather, see what happened again. Let me shock you. Look at this zone. Price came back and changed character immediately. Look at it. Break and close below here. Change character to where? To downtrend. Remember, our weekly zone says that we are coming down. Our daily zone says that we are coming down. But 4 hour time frame was coming down not until this thing happened here. But on Friday, this thing that happened previously became void by this change of character that happened on Friday. By bridging below this zone, this reversal that want to occur on a 4 hour time frame is null and void. Thereby, I want you to observe one thing. See what you do. I want you to protect your money by wearing what? Your protective devices. You see this zone I'm marking out for you. This is really your protective device. For any buy to happen on EURUSD, please allow price to break above this zone and close above it. Okay? And before you join this sell, please allow price to do what? To break below and close this zone. These two zones that I'm marking out is your protective armor. This is your shin guard. This is your helmet. This is your safety boot. Okay? This zone, avoid trading in this zone. Do not execute any trade inside this zone. Not until you see that price has breaking below or has breaking above and close before you take your decision. Okay? I hope I'm making this very clear. Do not trade inside this zone. This zone that I marked, do not trade inside it. So on a 4 hour time frame, we expect price to do what? To keep falling down. I expect price to keep falling down. Okay? If price could fall down, break and close below here. If price come back for a retest, that's when I will do what? Sell towards the day, towards the weekly support level. Okay? That's when I will do what? Sell towards where? The weekly support level. Our entry will be like this, down to the weekly support level. Our stop loss will be above the zone that we created here. But if this thing failed to happen, then I will wait for price to do what? To break and close above here. Because these are two things that are holding this market now. Let price break and close above here and come back for a retest. Then I will buy. But for me, I am favoring downside because of the price action that happened here on Friday. So this is how we'll be looking at Euro USD coming this week. And again, bear in mind that we are entering election week. The US election week is this week. So be careful because immediately the result will be announced, expect a sharp move in price. It will happen. So guide your money and protect your money. Okay. So next pair on the list is GBPJPY. Let's get down to GBPJPY. So this is GBPJPY. So this weekly time frame on a GBPJPY. What are you seeing here? We are seeing higher high, higher low. Okay, signifying bullish trend. So let's go down to daily time frame and see how we can join this bullish trend. So this daily time frame, market has created a higher high and has pushed down, creating a higher low. We expect this price to push up to create equal high and even to this extent because we expect price to go to this weekly resistance level. This is our expectation at 2.06 level. We expect price to come to this zone. So, but the question is, how do we buy this market? So let's go down to 4-hour time frame. Okay, we wait for price to come down to this zone. Allow price to push down to this zone. If price push down for this zone, wait for what? Bullish engulfing candle on a 4-hour time frame. If we don't see bullish engulfing candle on a 4-hour time frame, we move down to 5 minutes time frame and we look for what? Change of character, okay, towards bullish side uptrend. Then we buy. So this is how we'll be trading this pair. When markets happen like this, we buy. This is our first level target at 1.99500 region. That's our first level target. We are buying GBPJPY. Remember, our interest in GBPJPY is buy. Our first level target is where? 1.99500. Then our second level target, our overall target is where? 2.06 is our overall target. So my like guys, this is how we trade this price this coming week. So if you are this first time of watching to my channel, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like what you see. Please, if you like what you see, kindly subscribe to my channel so that YouTube will keep suggesting these videos to others. If you have not joined our free Telegram channel, the link is in this video. Click the link and join our free Telegram channel because we normally drop 1 or 2 signals there every week. Last week I dropped 4 signals and 4 of them did fantastic. So this is how we'll be ending this video. See you guys in my next episode. Cheers.